Unlock deep sleep. Wake up refreshed. Tools for a happier, healthier you 6.
Introduction.
Welcome to this ultimate sleep guide. Sleep is more than just closing your eyes. It's your body's chance to recharge, heal, and get ready for whatever tomorrow brings. Sadly, many of us struggle to fall asleep or wake up feeling groggy instead of refreshed. If that sounds like you, don't worry. This guide is here to help. We'll dive into how sleep works, share practical tips to improve your nights, and sprinkle in some cool facts to keep you hooked. Imagine waking up every morning feeling like you've just returned from a mini vacation. Ready to make that happen? Let's get started.
Understanding sleep.
Sleep isn't just one big snooze. It's a journey through different stages that repeat in cycles throughout the night. There's light sleep, when you're drifting off, deep sleep, the super restorative part, REM sleep, where dreams happen, and transitions between them. Deep sleep is the star of the show. It's when your body repairs tissues, builds muscle, and boosts your immune system. Your brain also uses this time to organize memories, almost like filing them away for later. Here's a fun fact. During deep sleep, your brain waves slow down so much it's like your mind is taking a peaceful break. Knowing how these stages work can help you tweak your habits to get more of that precious deep sleep. Have you ever wondered why some nights feel more refreshing than others? It's all about those cycles.
Tips for better sleep.
Ready to upgrade your sleep game? Here are some easy, practical tips you can start tonight.
Stick to a schedule.
Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Your body thrives on routine.
Make your room a sleep haven.
Keep it dark, quiet, and cool. Blackout curtains, earplugs, or a fan can work wonders.
Ditch the screens.
The blue light from phones and laptops tricks your brain into thinking it's daytime. Try switching to a book or music an hour before bed.
Wind down.
A warm bath, some light stretching, or a cup of herbal tea, no caffeine, can tell your body it's time to relax.
Be smart about food.
Skip heavy meals, caffeine, or sugary snacks late at night. A banana or a few almonds can be your sleep-friendly allies instead. Picture this. You climb into bed, your mind calms down, and you drift off effortlessly. These habits can turn that vision into reality. Which tip will you try first?
Interesting sleep facts.
Let's spice things up with some mind-blowing sleep trivia. Sleep sparks creativity. Ever wake up with a brilliant idea? That's your brain connecting the dots while you snooze. No catching up. Sleeping in on weekends won't fully fix a week of bad sleep. Regularity beats sleeping late. Dreams are brain cleaners. During REM sleep, your brain sorts memories, keeping the good stuff and tossing the junk. Animals sleep weird. Dolphins sleep with one eye open, and giraffes only need about 30 minutes a day. Crazy, right? These facts show how wild and wonderful sleep is. Which one surprised you the most?
Conclusion.
Sleep is your secret weapon. It heals your body, boosts your energy, and keeps your mind sharp. With a little know-how about sleep cycles and a few simple changes, you can turn restless nights into peaceful ones. Start small tonight. Maybe set a bedtime or dim the lights, and watch how it transforms your days. Better sleep isn't just a wish, it's something you can achieve. Thanks for joining us on this journey. If you loved this guide, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and drop your favorite sleep tip in the comments. Here's to sweet dreams and rested mornings.
Here's a challenge. What's one sleep habit you want to improve? Share in the comments and let's help each other sleep better.
Join Mazoochi, 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 join Mazoochi.